Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in AEK online banking application. AEK Bank is a banking firm that provides banking and financial services and solutions. Now, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search aekbank.ch and press enter. Now you will be led to this home page. Firstly, you need to choose the language. You need to choose the language that you are comfortable in. For this video, we will go for English. Now after that, there you can see the option e-banking. You need to click over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here all you need to do is fill down your login credential, that is your contract number and your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, here you can see the option forgotten your password. Please click here. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. If not, then you can click on login and you will be logged into your AEK banking application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.